New house construction recording. And here we are on August 12th, and so you got the windows in. It's where the front door is going to be, and the closet, of course. And then these are the door frames right here for the front and the back door. Both of those will be double doors. Take you inside and show you what's been done. Here's the front door. See, they got some of the electrical in. Over there, that looks like a ladder is the pocket door. It's going to go right there where, kind of like where the refrigerator is, but over in the wall. It's the other side of the window seat. You can see the boxes. Up on top there's going to be, see the 3 lights there, and then that's the light over the island, and there will be a ceiling fan right there, and then there's the 3 lights on the other side of the kitchen. And they're cutting into the concrete right there for the electrical to run to the island. You can see up above they put in a lot of new ductwork because it was really terrible before, very lacking. So we have a lot new vents that are in. I think that's the vent for the kitchen, and then there's a vent over here for the dining room area, and the vent for the entryway. And we had the 2 flooring guys here today. One is for the stained concrete that's going to go in the office area there and in the utility room. And then also there will be stained concrete in the bathroom. So again, you can see the beam that they put up that runs from there all the way across to there. And the trusses are now secured, so the roof's not going to fall in on our head. You see there's where those joints are. It's attached to the beam. Those were not attached to anything before. So, and then something that they did is that old blue-gray beam that was over here, is they took part of it and attached it to the new beam and put it up there. So part of the old house is in the new. And then this is the only part of the closet door, or the closet, that wall that's left of that Ryan and Angela Cates did a long time ago. So again, this is the hallway, with the bedroom door being over here on the right, and then you turn left and that would be the vanity in that area, the sink. Turn left, the toilet's there, and we were there in the plans. There was going to be a wall right there, and we just said don't build it, and that gives us all of that space that we can use. So you can put something in there. And then to the right is the bathtub and the shower area. Looks like Kit's gonna take a bath. They just brought the tub in today just to make sure that it would fit. So the bathroom window, that'll be a little seat, and that's the bedroom closet right there. so we increased the size of the bathroom by quite a bit. So that's where we're at right now. The cabinet should be going in 2 weeks. We're going to complete the electrical work. We're thinking about putting in some kind of tile right here as you walk in the front door, and then it'll be wood flooring running in that direction probably. So the wood flooring guy was here today as well. So that's it right now. That opening has been enlarged and it's taller right now. So that's where we're at, and things should really start picking up now. And probably will be done in 6 to 7 weeks. That's it for now.